Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up or enroll into Capital One online banking accounts. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser and into the URL box appearing at the top, type in www.capitalone.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official webpage of Capital One Bank, which looks like this. Capital One Financial Corporation is an American bank holding company specializing in credit cards, auto loans, banking, and saving accounts. Once you end up in the official webpage, if you already have an account, you can enter your username and your password to log into your account. But if you don't have an account yet, click on Set Up Online Access link beneath the Sign In button. Enter your personal information in the text boxes appearing on the next page. Start with your last name and on the next field, enter your social security number or your tax ID number. You can use bank account number instead by clicking on this little link that says Use Bank Account Number instead. Now select your date of birth by clicking on the drop down, select your month, date, and year, and click the Get Started button. If your information is correct, you'll be able to get to the next page. Simply follow the on-screen prompts, and that way you'll be able to sign up or enroll into Capital One online banking account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.